Xiaomi Mi Band 3 was launched last month at the company's annual product launch event in China, alongside the Mi 8 flagship. The new Mi Band model, which is the successor to the Mi Band 2, comes with a capacitive touchscreen panel and is water-resistant up to 5 ATM. It is also touted to deliver up to 20 days of battery life on a single charge, and come in 3 color options. Xiaomi also has an NFC version of the Mi Band that will be available sometime in September. Similar to last year's Mi Band 2, the Mi Band 3 is capable of receiving app and call notifications, and has motion tracking as well as health management features. It also has a water-resistant build that is claimed to withstand being submerged in as deep water as 50 meters. Xiaomi notably didn't specify any IP rating beyond the 5 ATM rating. The Mi Band 3 is compatible with devices running Android 4.4 and above or iOS 9.0 and above. Just like the Mi Band 2, the wearable can auto-unlock associated MIUI smartphones for the wearer. Xiaomi also claims the pedometer has been improved. There is also a caller ID reject feature, as well as reminder to users to stop sitting for too long. However, unlike the Mi Band 2, that had a 0.42-inch OLED panel, the Xiaomi Mi Band 3 features a larger, 0.78-inch capacitive OLED display. This new display panel shows incoming call and text message alerts, as well as the current time, steps taken, and heart rate count. It comes with 128 by 80 pixel resolution. The latest Mi Band model also includes a heart rate (ppg) sensor and bears a triaxial acceleration sensor. It also provides sleep monitoring features. Further, there is a 110 mAh battery, which is larger in terms of capacity over the 70 mAh battery available on the Mi Band 2. The battery life is of 20 days. There is Bluetooth 4.2 connectivity that makes the Xiaomi Mi Band 3 compatible with most of Android and iOS devices. Nevertheless, Xiaomi has for the first time brought an NFC version that will make it more convenient for users to connect the new Mi Band with their smartphones. The Mi Band 3 weighs 20 grams, including the strap. Meanwhile, the display will also be a place where you can view smartwatch-like features, like messages, notifications, caller ID, 3-day weather forecasts, and alarm clocks, which can be turned off from the touchscreen. You can expect it to feature the same raise to wake feature that will let you quickly glance at your progress during the day, and it'll also have the ability to unlock Android phones. The recently launched Xiaomi branded fitness tracker is also available on GearBest. Since May 31st, the black-tinted Mi Band 3 has been available on the site, carrying a pre-sale price tag of $49.99. About 1,026 buyers had already taken advantage of the pre-sale price at the time of writing. It is imperative for you to bear in mind that the pre-sale price will only be valid until July 15th. You can visit link down below to grab the deal. So guys, what do you think about Mi Band 3? Share your opinion down below, and thanks for watching guys. See you guys next one.